Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have an incredible truck, actually an icon, 1999 Cadillac Escalade. It's got a 5.7 in it. Nicest one I've ever seen. 84,000 miles, finished in white, sitting on chrome wheels. All original. Original paint. The undercarriage on this truck is absolutely fantastic. Got the original owner's manuals, window sticker, everything that came with it when it was brand new. Garage kept since day one. I doubt it's ever even seen rain. Beautiful straight body, leather interior. It still smells new. Literal time capsule. It's like the only ads are literally the rain guards. Definitely a collector piece. Beautiful. These trucks came loaded too. Bose sound, leather, power heated seats. This one's got the DVD in the rear. So cool. Embroidered headrests, leather wrapped wood wheel. Still sports the factory mats. Incredible shape. Even the sills and everything. It's beautiful. Power lumbar. 84,188 miles. Incredible. Look how clear the instrument gauge cluster is too. Beautiful. Bose sound. CD player, obviously 4-wheel drive. All the original owner's manuals, window sticker, everything. OnStar too, how cool. Automatic dimming rearview mirror with integrated compass, rear air conditioning, home link. The back seat looks like it's never been sat in. This. Phenomenal. Oh my God, how cool. That is incredible. Beautiful. Factory chrome wheels. And I love the cladding and everything. Class 3 tow hitch. Struts still hold it open. And time capsule. Man, remember that lock back there? That's so cool. Beautiful shape. Man. These trucks just run forever. Gorgeous. Nice as it gets. It's like all original paint. Even the back pockets on the back of the seats aren't all sagged out. Well, whoever owned it didn't have kids. Man, so crispy. Beautiful. You got everything here too. Warranty, original owner's manual, lockout key order form, ownership brochure, window sticker. 46,875 bucks. Man, something else. Trailer tow brake. Beautiful. And these elastics are normally all worn out too. Incredible to see this truck in this shape. It really is. There she is, 5.7, as it was. And even the underhood light works. Yeah, gorgeous. Nice as it gets. For all of you that had one of these back in the day and drilled the wheels off it, it's your chance to get a brand new one. Amazing. Even the original padding under the hood. That is fantastic. Beautiful. Came from California. Explains it. Check out the inside. The undercarriage on this. Absolutely fantastic. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Check it out on the website. Probably shot 200 and change photos today. I am just blown away by this truck. 631-339-0399. Check out the website too, weebyautos.com, and smash that subscribe button. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.